Tip over is the #1 type of fatality on a scissor lift. What you want to focus attention upon as a result of that are your labels. Very simple, but it's overlooked. Don't overlook it. It's right here. This is the capacity rating, at least, on this piece of equipment, right upon the entryway to the truck. Now, 500 pounds is the limit to this piece of equipment with a 250-pound capacity rating on the extension. Now, that's under the right conditions. If you're on a flat surface, smooth surface, no excessive wind past 28 miles per hour, and there's not 100 pounds of side load limit. If you're rolled up against or pushed up against something, that could cause the truck to tip as well. Be very cognizant of showing your trainees these labels to reduce the possibility of risk of tip over.